for you only, like I can't take everyone. So whoever will share, they will able to perform some activity also. Okay, so yeah, here I will create account for you also, and we'll do some practice here. So we'll ask you to share your screen and we'll like ask you to perform some activity. Okay, so I'm going to create account with these two people. So this is my board. Okay, and here inside backlog, you can see we have option create sprint. Okay, click on this. So sprint 01. Okay, and here we can click on edit sprint. So as I mentioned, like this sprint can be of 1 week, 2 week. So let's do it for 1 week sprint. Start date. Let's take today only, and end date will be after 1 week. Okay, sprint goal you can define here and update this. So starting 28. So this sprint start 28 and end will be 04. Now we can create more sprints since there will be like multiple sprints will be there for each release. Okay, for this automatically you can see it's taking 1 week. So whatever sprint you will create, it will start taking 1 week from next day. Okay. Now, if you go in the active sprint, so at this moment we can't see anyone since we need to start here. So why this start option is not coming? Maybe I selected. Okay, so what I will do, maybe we don't have any story. So due to that reason, we are unable to start. What I will do, I will create some story. So I will click on this create option. So here you can see we can create task, bug, epic. So we are other option we have, but I'm going to create a story. So here you need to give story headline. Let's say this is story for Mule team. Okay. And this in this story, we are going to develop payment related API, payment, new requirement. Okay. So create, make payment, Sappy Rammer. So this is one story. Okay. So component none. So component is fine. If you want to attach any file, okay, so you can attach any file here. Okay. So file I attached here, you can give description. So resource name will be payment. Then method will be get response. Will have payment ID, price, amount, something like that. Okay. So here we can give description. Since I am going to create this, so I am reporter here. And then is there any blocker? No. Then fixed version. So fixed versioning is not allowed. Generally, we used to keep versioning here, which release we are going to publish it. I will check later why it's not coming. Then assignee. So I given access, like I added Gaurav and Sairam. So I'm giving this story to Gaurav. So he will develop this story. Then priority, it's fine. Medium is fine. Select label. So here you can create multiple label. So let's take, this is digital Mulesoft. This label I created. And then this is related to payment. So I created this label also. Epic link. Okay, this we don't need. Sprint. Okay, so we can see here sprint 1, sprint 2 is there in this board. I'm going to assign this in sprint 1. Okay, and then click on create. Okay, now we have one task in this sprint, and sprint should be started from 28 today only. Let me. Since this sprint should be started today, so start sprint. Okay, now you can see in active sprint, we can see in to do. Okay, this task got created and it's coming in to do. Okay. For this new task, you see here, then you will able to see all this detail who is assigning. Initially, it's in to do, but once you will get this task and once you will start working, you need to change this status from to do to in progress. Okay, so as a developer, okay, for me, let me to do only. And here we have configuration. I think we can add some more fields here. Like we can add story point. Okay. Fix version. Sprint. Priority. Time tracker. Original estimate. Oh, okay. I did reverse. Sorry. It should be. Still, I can't see story point.
Story point is showing as none.
Where you can see.
Yeah, that is the story point, right?
Okay, okay. So it's coming, everything coming here. So here, like I assigned to this particular developer. So Gaurav, now you can share your screen. Okay. And as a developer, what all you need to do, we will see in your screen. Okay. So
Okay.
yes, share your screen. Since like as a Scrum Master, I completed my task. Now you need to do all the activity.
Or let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. So after
So
accepting the invite, I can land it
yes,
here.
yes. So you already accepted, fine. Now
Yeah.
you go to active sprint in left hand side.
Mm-hmm.
Open this one. So you can see on top OP1 is there in green color. Just click on that so it will open in new window with big screen on
Okay.
top left corner of this pop-up. Yes. So here, first thing, like as a developer, you need to like sometimes story point will be given by Scrum Master, sometime from developer. Okay, so you know this is RAML, so it will not take much effort. So here you can give story point like 3. So you can see none, just make it 3. Okay, now like people will may ask here like what is story point and how we decide. So story point, okay. So story point tells us complexity of this particular story. 1 means very small, like task is there. Okay. 3 means like relatively it's like some activity you need to perform, you need to do small testing also. 5, so it works in Fibonacci series. Okay, so 1, 3, 5 like that. Okay, so 5 means you got any new API, small API. Then we have 8. 8 means like it's a complex API where you need lots of integration. Then we have 13. 13 means it's a very complex API and you need like maybe like lots of integration, batch processing, many external calls are there. So then 13, like that story point will be there. Okay, so this one is simple rammer. It will not take much effort. So we have taken as a 3. Now you will say like if we have given 3 story point means we will complete this task in 3 days. So answer will be no. Story point is not related to your man day effort. Okay. So there may be like this story point will be developer, like one developer who is senior resource can complete this 3 story point in 2 days. Okay. There may be another developer, junior developer, like that developer can complete this 3 story point in 4 days. Okay. So this story point is not related to days. Okay, it doesn't means story point 3 means 3 day or 5 day. Okay, it's completely both things are completely independent. Okay, now scroll up. So here you can see original estimate. Okay, now based on your capability, okay, you are developer, so you can tell okay, I can complete this task in 4 days. Okay, so click on this original estimate. Just after assigning name, there is original estimate 0M. Click on that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here you need to define like how much time you will take. So you identified okay this particular diamond takes for me takes 2 days. So mention there 2D.
Okay.
D. Yeah. Click on that yes symbol. Okay. That means like this particular developer will take 2 days to complete this diamond. So now you can see task tracking. You can see 2 days remaining. Okay. Yes, that one. Okay. Before going to do all this change, you need to change the status from to do to in progress since you started working on this. So you can see to do is there on center. Yes, change to in progress. In progress.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in this way, yeah, like you need to update. Now scroll down. Yeah. So here you can see many things. Other things are there. Comment, history, work log. Okay. So in comment, if you like, if you find okay, I need more detail for this. Okay. Let's say you are not clear with the like input parameter. Okay. So you will mention here. You can tag anyone. Let's say you want this query from me or you want this query from other team members. So put there, yeah, put some comment there. Okay, and then you can use @ yeah, so you can see here, you can see me also and you can see yourself also. Okay, and click on save. Click on save. So once he will click on save, then I will get one notification on my email. So Gaurav has one query for this particular story. Okay, and at the same time you can do work log also. Click on that work log. So here you can you can mention like how many hours you have completed for this. Click on that log work. Okay, so total time you need 2 days, but you completed today 4 hours for this. Okay, today you took 4 hours, you spent 4 hours here. So just mention 4H. 4H. Yeah, click on save. Okay, now scroll up. So here you can see time tracking. So total estimation was 2 days. He completed 4 hours, and now 1 day 4 hours is left. In sprint 8 days, 8 hours equals to 1 day. Okay. So actually we used to have 9 hour working, but 1 hour is like our lunch break. So 8 hours is in a sprint. 8 hours will be standard working hour for a IT resource for 1 day. So today you completed 4 hours. So you mentioned there. Okay. Now once you will complete this task, then you will change status from in progress to done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this task got completed. So that's why it's coming in done. Now go to this active sprint again. So you can see there, this task moved from to do to done. Okay. So in this way, you can manage your Jira ticket where story will be created, story will be assigned. You need to work on that story. You need to ask related query. You need to track your like working hour, and you need to mention your working hour. And at the end, once you will everything will be done, you will mark it done. Okay. Hope everyone clear with this. You can stop sharing your screen.